In this video, I'll show you how to check your PC specs or your specialization. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, if you bought a new laptop or if you bought a new PC and you love to check about your PC specialization, what you need to do, you need to click on the Windows Start button, right? I'll click on it. Then I'll click on this My Settings. Once I've clicked on it, I'll wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you'll be displayed with some options: the display option, the sound, the notification, the focus assist, power and battery, storage. What you need to click on this about, right? I would have loved to click on this my own about, but I won't love to disclose some personal and credential informations here online. So what you need to do, once you have opened your system settings, you'd scroll down and click on the about tab. Yeah, once I've clicked on it, you'll be displayed with every specialization you need about your PC or your Windows. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got some questions you want to ask me, do that as well in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.